sport? Volleyball.
So, good morning, sir. So, we are the last presenter and we are going to demonstrate the volleyball and the two skills. And the two skills is the spiking and the serving.
Spiking and serving.
The spike is the serving is
Tagalog, Taglish. Yan.
So, service, ito ay sa volleyball na gamit ang kamay na at ay gamit ang dalawang kamay at ang isang sa left hand is holding the ball and the right side is hitting the ball, then the left side is going to up or lift the ball or throw it paangat, then the right hand is going to hit the ball going to another court sa another team or another opponent. So yung hands niyo. So the left hand is going to hold the ball and the right hand is mag-ready bitaw ni siya para to hit the ball, and then ano tong height one ganito is auto i-lift ni mo, then pwede siya i-hit ang ball going to another auto siya serving. So ang bones ato nga maliyok is diri nga kani.
What are the major muscles involved in serving and spiking? What do you call that one? So what are the muscles involved? Major muscles? How about in spiking? Upper limbs,
Lower, upper, lower.
Now, how about the anatomical movements? Angular regions. Is there any flexion, extension involved? What do you call that one again? Seduction. Seduction? Or abduction? Or adduction? Kindly perform. So what happened to your body? What happened to your body? Hyperextension or what? extension, flexion. Mm. Okay, congratulations group number 6.